Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce to you a simple Flutter Magic 8-ball app. GitHub link of this project is given in description of this video. Now let's understand how it is working. First of all, we have pubspec.yaml file. In this file we have only by default library or package which is present here, Cupertino icons, and then I have imported images. Images / means the images in images folder, all images will be imported in this project. Here you can see on this place all images in images folder will be imported to this project, means ball1, ball2, ball3, ball4 or 5.png. all of these will be imported to our project. Then we have void main function run app const material. It has material app has argument called home is calling ball page. Ball page is defined here, which is a stateless widget. This widget is returning scaffold. Its background color is colors.blue. Blue means app bar is text ask me anything, and center title is set to true. Background color here also is slower or lower than the original blue color. Here I have body of ball. Ball is a stateful widget which I have defined here, and in the state of ball I have initiated an integer called ball number with 1, and I have used a function which returns nothing, void update image. It takes no argument. Then I have set state in this method, in this function. Set state is basically used in stateful widget. It can never be used in stateless widget. Its purpose is to change the user interface of app when user clicks on screen at any point of time. Then screen will also change, or things or anything on screen will also be changed by this function set state, which is method of stateful widget. Then I am building here a widget return center child text button with on press function update image, which I have defined here, and then its child is image dot asset. Now here in update image method or function you can see that I have random dot next int into 5. It means it will generate or create random numbers from 0 to 4, and I have added +1, mean I have added 1 here. It means if the random number generated is 0, then ball number will be 1, because 1 is added to every random number. Similarly, if we have maximum of 4 number, then we will add +1 and we will have ball number of 5, because here in images folder we have ball1, ball2 up to ball 5, so we have added here +1. And here I have also used image.asset images, its path like a string, but in here I have defined images /ball. This means string interpolation. I have put here a variable or integer in string, To insert a variable or integer in a string, we use string interpolation with a dollar sign. So this is our complete app. Now I will run my app and you will see its output. Here function .math is used to create or generate random numbers. So now I am running this app, and after a little bit time, it will take some time, and after a little bit time I will start the video again. Now you can see here my app has built successfully here at these points, and there are no errors. Now I will check my app here. This is my app which I have made. Now on this whole picture you can click at any point and you will receive or you will see a new picture. This is basically a stateful widget which changes the user interface when user clicks on it. Now I am clicking on exactly on yes. You can see picture has changed. Now I can also click here. Now picture is also changed. You can see that our project is working in a right way. So this is my complete project. Thank you for your patience. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.